It started with a minor traffic accident. A woman collided with another vehicle and drove away from the scene without exchanging information. Fortunately, witnesses captured the license plate number, and police quickly located the suspect vehicle. When officers approached, they weren't looking to make an arrest. They simply needed the driver's license and insurance information to complete the accident report. But from the very first moment, the woman was confrontational. She repeatedly demanded to know why she had been stopped, even after officers explained the reason multiple times. Again and again, officers requested her driver's license and insurance card. Again and again, she refused. The officers remained calm. They explained that if she cooperated, they could finish the report and send her on her way. But the woman continued arguing. Minutes passed. The requests became warnings. The warnings became lawful orders. And eventually, officers informed her that refusing to identify herself could result in arrest. Still, she refused. As the situation escalated, officers gave her one final opportunity: hand over the documents or go to jail. She chose neither. Instead, she continued arguing. At that point, officers moved in to place her under arrest. What followed was a chaotic struggle. The woman resisted, fought against officers, and refused commands to comply. Within moments, what should have been a simple accident investigation turned into a criminal arrest. By the end of the encounter, she faced multiple charges, including resisting arrest, obstructing police, driving with a suspended license, and leaving the scene of an accident.